So check this out. So we just got our new GoPro Hero 6 Black, and we've been using it underwater, and it's been great. And we got this little light, which has been great too. And we have our little Lumi Cube. If I can figure out how to turn that on. Okay, and then I have this microphone and the dead cat for video work from our Sony a7R II, and it has you know, the 1/4 inch adapter, which of course the GoPro does not, so we need an adapter for that. But then right here, this is the Lumi Cube underwater mount, so you're just supposed to have the GoPro and 2 neat little Lumi Cubes there. But I want to attach our existing mic so we don't have to buy a new mic, and that would require us to buy a new housing for the GoPro with a hot shoe on the top, the little hot shoe right here to fit the mic on the top, and this mic would probably be in the frame anyway, so that's the reason why I have it way out here. And I already had this bracket for video work too, and then we have this iPhone adapter for the Joby, so that you can take photos and videos with your iPhone, and it's really cool because it rotates. But anyway, so I've configured this, we'll call this configuration 1. This might be a little bit too much for public usage, but so the idea is you could monitor the GoPro, you can film yourself and watch yourself on your phone. And I just love to be going down the street. Whoa! Woo!
It's a lot of gadgets for one thing.
Yeah, it's a little bit top heavy. Gotta tighten this guy.
Okay.
So this will be practice test number 1. We're just walking down the beach in Hawaii, like, hey, so Dan and Emily with New York See You Later here. Go into a restaurant and just be like, hold on, I just need a spot for my gear. Can I have an extra table, please? And turn this guy up. Oh, that made it brighter. So I'll keep working. So what I really want to do is figure out we have this arm for the Lumi Cubes for the underwater setup, and what I would love to do would be to attach this somehow like this, so then I could put the microphone back here, and that looks a lot cooler than what I just showed you. And now we could adjust this like that. But unfortunately, I don't really have a way right now to attach this to this. Hey, I think I figured it out. Check this out. So I have a little adapter for the Lumi Cubes, and this Lumi Cube plate for underwater has holes in it, so I'm able to bring this little kind of hot shoe plate through and then get this so it fits right in there snugly, and then just tighten it, and it'll be super tight and it won't move at all because it's up against this little shoulder piece. So I'll have an update for you in just a minute. So I was able to attach this little rail and then move the microphone all the way back so that won't be in the video, and this looks a lot cooler. Too bad the GoPro doesn't have a 1/4 inch mount, or we'd be in business and filming right now. And so another option is, I don't know if I need 2 lights, but the problem, this light only has 1 brightness, and the Lumi Cube has 10 levels of brightness. Oh, come on, Lumi Cube.
The other one. Maybe it's dead.
Oh, hold on. Okay, so the Lumi Cube has 10 levels of brightness, and so if we're filming at night, we could put it on level 1 and turn this guy off, and it's still really bright. We'll just have to get used to being on camera and looking at bright lights. Hold on, let me try
I don't want to
this.
be blind.
Yeah, well. Okay, let me see this one. Actually, I think this one's easier on the eyes.
No, light is easier on the eyes.
And it's a little lower. No, it is easier if you want to check it. But anyway, so I think what I'll do is, so we'll call this setup number 2, and it looks less Frankenstein-y than the other one with this guy and all that other stuff. But what I'll do is I'll take the LumiCube off and I'll attach the iPhone holder, and then we'll see which one we like better. Maybe this one will actually be more useful so we can use the iPhone as a monitor. So I guess we'll call this option 3. This is a little bit of a Frankenstein option as well. This is the little cell phone holder on the back. You can see our little logo there. But anyway, so we have the GoPro recording and the microphone here, which we need the adapter we'll plug in, and then we have the cell phone holder, which can act as the monitor, so we know what we're doing. But I think probably just get rid of the phone and just hope for the best. This handle telescopes, and we'll just have to put it on super wide, and I think lose the cell phone, because then it'll be more compact and less embarrassing. Okay, so I think this is the best option. Remove the phone. I guess we'll call this option, is this 3 or 4? I guess 4. But so anyway, so we got the microphone, and all we're gonna need is an adapter. And I'm very happy that we were able to jerry-rig all this stuff together rather than having to buy a new microphone or a new case with a hot shoe or anything like that. And this is the lightest and I think least dorky looking. And the only thing is we won't have a monitor to know if everybody's in the frame. But GoPro, take a video. So all we'll have to do is hold it back here and hope for the best. GoPro, stop recording. So check this out. So we just got our new GoPro, Hero 6 Black, and we've been using it underwater, and it's been great. And we got this little light, which has been great too.